As the holiday season approaches, the enchanting figure of Santa Claus often takes center stage. However, behind every successful Christmas tale lies a diligent team of unsung heroes, Santa's cheerful elves. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of these industrious assistants, who play a crucial role in bringing magic and joy to life each year. Imagine a bustling workshop nestled in the frosty heart of the North Pole, where the spirit of merriment is as tangible as the snowflakes dancing outside. This is where Santa's elves reside, ensuring that every Christmas morning is nothing short of miraculous. Who are these mysterious and enchanting helpers? Perhaps they are more than just myth. Legend has it that the elves are small in stature but large in heart, possessing an infectious zest for their work. Each elf bears a unique skill, contributing to the seamless orchestration of Christmas festivities, from the creative minds crafting toys with meticulous precision to the logistical geniuses organizing Santa's strategic flight plan. The elves are undeniably indispensable. One might wonder, what fuels these tireless workers? The answer lies in their unwavering belief in the joyfulness of the holiday season. Their motivation stems from the delight of children worldwide, inspiring them to work year-round to perfect every detail, from stitching together teddy bears to engineering elaborate toy trains. Each neatly wrapped gift is a testament to their love and dedication. Beyond the twinkling lights and reindeer sleighs, the elves also embody some lesser-known responsibilities. Led by the sage wisdom of Chief Elf Bernard, their duties extend to managing Santa's extensive list. They diligently review wish lists, ensuring that no deserving child is overlooked. Their extraordinary knack for organization is nothing short of magical. In this harmonious workshop, camaraderie flourishes. The elves' teamwork is legendary, and their joy is contagious. Their days are punctuated by melodious carols that echo through the snowy corridors, creating an ambiance of warmth and unity. This tight-knit community thrives on friendship and shared purpose, reminding us all of the power of collaboration. Despite their whimsical charm, the elves' existence is shrouded in mystery. Some speculate that these beings are centuries old, possessing an ageless wisdom passed down through generations. Others believe that new elves are chosen by Santa himself, based on their virtue and passion for spreading cheer. Though their origins remain an enigma, their impact is undeniably profound. As the clock strikes midnight on Christmas Eve, Santa's sleigh begins its majestic journey, carrying with it the fruit of the elves' labor and love. It is a testament to the timeless tradition of giving, a symbol of hope and joy propelled by the energetic hands of these cheerful elves. As we gather with loved ones this holiday season, let us take a moment to appreciate the magic woven by the humble elves of the North Pole. They remind us that even the smallest hands can create the greatest waves of happiness, inspiring us to cherish the spirit of giving in every season. Thus, the legacy of Santa's cheerful elves etched in the hearts of believers lives on eternally,